Sure. Security is undoubtedly one of the issues and concepts that have managed to permeate the agenda of contemporary international relations. After the 9/11 attacks in New York, the issue of security has taken on a broader meaning. Students of international relations must know the dynamics of security, the evolution of concepts, doctrines, and policies that are part of the national and international reality, including the threats, problems, and risks that arise. In this way, security in international relations is directly linked to realist theory, not forgetting, of course, the other currents, paradigms, and theories. However, realism became the standard for security when it was equipped with the existential conditions of the nation state. The system of security represents a puzzle that is increasingly difficult to decipher. Reactions can be provoked by the many actors that threaten the security, for example, the proliferation of illegal armed groups, the classic problems of sovereignty, the intensification of political violence, and international terrorism.
Of course, it is considered important to highlight the influence of terrorism in today's world as well as trade between countries. Since 9/11 attacks in the United States, terrorism has become a priority on the international agenda. It is a scourge that affects international trade. This has led to an increased security measures by countries, resulting in higher transaction costs that can cause change in commercial relations and destruction of trade. Costs such as longer waiting times at borders, ports, or airports, increased inspections, and more. So this issue has to do with international business as a potential terrorist threat can affect supply chains, which can have a huge economic impact on business. This impact comes from both that increased cost of ensuring the transportation of goods, but also the delay or disruption of the supply chains. A country's position in international trade can be permanently weakened if terrorist risks persist and security measures weigh on business travel, transportation, and investment.